Hallo Leute, wie geht es? Today we'll see our part 3, you can say, and video 4 of our Goethe A1 German writing course, full writing course. So today's video is, you can say, most important video among this course because here we are looking how to write email step by step that we are going to see here. So let's start with the video. I will share one screen with you. So here, actually in this task, one situation will be given to you and then you have to write email, okay? And there will be some bullet points. It is called as bullet points. And on that bullet points, you have to write, but just one sentence for each bullet point. Okay? Don't write extra. Now we'll see what is the situation given here. Okay? So there will be multiple situations, but one situation they will give it to you. This is just one sample situation. Now this question is invite a friend to coffee. So how to write email that we are going to see here. Now there will be 3 bullet points. Suppose day, time, okay, and question. So now we'll see the model answer. How to write email step by step. This is, you can say, informal email, right? So you are inviting your friend for a coffee. Now you will start with hello Anna. Ich habe am Samstag Zeit. Okay. On Saturday, I have time, or I have time on Saturday. Zeit is time. Wir treffen uns 15 Uhr im Café. We will meet you. Treffen is to meet. We'll meet you at 3 p.m. 15 Uhr. 15 hour is 3 p.m. im Café. In cafe. Now the question will come. Okay. Day is decided, time is decided. These are the bullet points. And the next one will be question. So the question will be, hast du Zeit? Meaning, do you have time? Now you have time that you are telling here. Okay, and you are inviting your friend for a coffee. But you want to ask your friend that if she has time. Hast du Zeit? Do you have time? And then Fehler Grüße Rahul. Suppose you are Rahul. You have to write your name at the end of the email. This is very, very important. Don't miss it. Now here, see, don't add any extra information here. Okay? And don't go for complicated sentences, complicated grammar, because here examiner wants simple and clear sentences in writing, right? So simple German is equal to good marks. You will get good marks. So don't give any extra information here. This email is sufficient for your task. Okay? One sentence for each bullet point that you have to understand. I hope this is clear with you. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, because I am coming up with this A1 full A1 writing course, Goethe, and other modules as well. So that's all for today, friends. Thank you and bye-bye.